Hey guys, Jeremy here from School of Wok, Covent Garden. It's been a really long time since the last Dr. Wok session, and it's for really good purpose that I'm going to show you guys how to maintain and deal with our new woks, essentially their inauguration into our wok family. And these are our carbon steel pre-seasoned wok range. There's two in the range. We've got a 12-inch carbon steel flat bottom and the classic 13-inch round bottom wok. Both are pre-seasoned with no layer on it, so no non-stick layer. These are real carbon steel sort of woks, except they've been seasoned in the factory to make it easier for you at home. And the finish on it is amazing. A lovely sort of matte finish. So there's no sort of pre-burning or having to burn the wok twice at home. So these pre-seasoned carbon steel woks are slightly thicker than the rest of our wok range. They feel a little bit heavier, which is not a bad thing. They're still light enough to sort of flick. They're only slightly thicker, and that just sort of retains a little bit more heat when you're stir frying and cooking. They're also great for deep frying as well. You can see that beautiful sheen on it. Now, it's really important to note how to look after these woks, because as I said, it hasn't got any non-stick layer on it. It's carbon steel, so if you just left some water in it, it would rust. I'm not gonna lie. The whole point of this is that you can cook traditional stir fries and get that lovely smoky flavor or finish in your stir fries, but not have the hassle of having to season it yourself at home. So in the factory, this has been burnt a couple of times and given that really lovely finish, but when you look after it, it's no different to if you're just buying a normal School of Wok carbon steel wok. You've got to clean it on the hob. I'll show you that now. A little bit of water, bring it to a boil, give it a good scrape. It's carbon steel, no non-stick layer, that's okay. You can even use a metal implement on it. You can even use a bit of wire wool when you're cleaning it in the sink with a bit of detergent, no problem there either. Most importantly, once you've finished your cleaning, that bubbling away with water, then get it onto a medium to high heat and dry it on the hob. It's got to be bone dry all the way round before you let it cool and then put it away. That is the best way to look after our pre-seasoned carbon steel woks. Thanks for listening and welcome back to the Dr. Wok sessions.